Now arriving northbound, 304 will service to Lincoln, Bloomington Normal, Pontiac, Dwight, Joliet, Summit, and Chicago. Northbound 304, service to Lincoln, Bloomington Normal, Pontiac, Dwight, Joliet, Summit, and Chicago. Now arriving. Those traveling in business class, please board towards the rear of the train. That's business class is at the rear of the train. The conductor will advise all others on which board towards the